The 11F installation video. Install the front silicone pad. Install the front panel screw tube. Remove the rear panel battery cover. Loosen the 4 screws on the rear panel. Remove the rear panel board. Install the rear silicone pad. Install the mortise. Tighten the mortise screws. Install the lock cylinder. Tighten the lock cylinder screw. Put the square rod into the mortise. If the tail ruler and square rod are too long, it need to be cut, leaving 1.5 cm, 2 cm to the door edge. Install front panel. Install rear panel board. Tighten the bamboo screws. Adjust the front panel and rear panel board. Connect the cable. Insert the connecting wire into the hole. Put the spring into the square hole. Align the holes to install the rear panel. Press the handle to test whether the mortise is working properly. Tighten the 4 screws. Install the battery. Close the battery cover. Insert the silicone plug. Installation complete.